right? The lemon has vitamin C, which is very good for you. That's very good for your immune system and your body in general, and helps you fight off diseases, okay? It's a natural cough suppressant. We can use peppermint, okay? This is in the menthol family, all right? So the menthol gives a cooling sensation, right? It's a natural decongestant. Menthol helps decongest, helps open up the airways, it helps you breathe, right? It's that cool feeling. It shrinks swollen nasal membranes. You can mix some peppermint in a tea. This will really help you if you have a cough or cold, or if you're suffering from bronchitis or asthma. That menthol will help open up that chest.